I got my cup of tea. And we're on our way to racetrack.
Do you know what my goal is today?
What?
Not to drive on the incorrect side of the road like we did yesterday.
I like how you said like we did. You dragged me into that.
Yeah.
If I remember rightly, I was the one going, mate.
Mate, we're on the wrong side of the road. Like, okay, mate. Fortunately, no one around.
No, that's what you think.
Oh, and we drove down a closed road.
Again, with the we. You're going through your character arc where you're no longer cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
The window for living.
Filming and driving, mate. Dodge.
There we are.
Oh, Vicky Bobby. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you? Oh, look at
Good.
this cool little car. It's like airport.
Airport? I don't know what I filmed today. It's been a bit of a blur.
Kind of a busy morning.
Some maniac left my race suit at the room.
What? How could that happen?
How could this happen? Oh my god, everything's bonging.
We're going to go and look at a different viewing area.
We're going up to the viewing area and then it's the lunch break, but I'm not going to eat until after quali. Because I'm not peckish and I don't want all that nom-a-nom sloshing around in my bloody tum-tum. Yeah, this morning's been a bit hectic. I think I did say this, but just in case I didn't, some maniac left my suit in the room and I only realised about 20 minutes before quali. So this wonderful man went to go retrieve it, got back late out for quali, came back in, we were 8th quickest, which means we will be starting qualifying, I believe, from the 8th position, which is good because that means we're with all the fast people so we can get a tow and cheat our way to pole, which is the plan. That's a cool car. That just reminds me of Juiced. Do you remember Juiced?
What, the computer game?
Yeah, do you remember Juiced?
Yeah, I think it's good.
I remember Juiced. Juiced! I'm sunburnt.
I do this every time.
Covered in soot.
Did you not put any moisturiser on?
I did moisture. I don't know, I was rushed out of the room.
Not true.
I know, look, but there have been errors today, but there have been great successes.
Yeah, but
all in all,
can I just tell you something? Like, you're like my son.
Am I like your son or am I your
you're
son?
like my son.
Okay.
And
you're like a son to me.
And you're also my best bud.
Aw, same.
But so I can be quite honest with you. You're quite a vain person. Yeah. You like. You care how you look.
Yeah.
Can I just tell you?
Yeah.
If you don't start, putting like an SPF moisturiser on, like this is why this is all working. Why this all?
Oh, is that's working? Is that what
That's
we're calling
working.
that? That's working.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what you need to do, you need to moisturise, and you need to pickle your face, as I've told you.
Yeah, pickle it. As you've brined your face over many years.
Yeah.
It's quite overwhelming at the moment. There's a lot of stuff happening in terms of like still getting used to the car, doing other stuff, getting sunburnt, leaving stuff around. And in all of the fun of that, I have got no idea what I filmed and where we're up to. But qualifying 1 is done and we're 6th, and that's good.
That is really good.
That is really good, yes.
Because you are running around like some of the best drivers in America.
Yeah, so yeah, out of the box we're 6th quickest out of 33.
And guess what?
What?
You're only going to get better, mate.
I know, yeah, the more seat time we get the better. I still don't really know what I'm doing in this thing, but if not knowing what we're doing gets us P6 for now, then we're probably on the right track. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, we're going to go to Publix, I'm going to get some after sun and probably some more snacks. Update, we went out for food last night. I'm very sunburnt. I don't know if you can see. You can. I'm red. I'm the colour red now. It's my new thing. Morning team, who's ready for racing?
Who could believe that I had breakfast pancakes made by a robot this morning?
A machine?
A machine made my breakfast.
You had robo pancakes?
First 10 rows, side by side, 2 by 2, coming through 12, waiting for the green flag. It is in the air, and we are racing here. Spec MX-5.
What's up, gamers? I forgot to vlog all of today because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm here with lovely Jim Hall. Hi, Jim.
Hello, hello.
Jim's our professional photographer this weekend, amongst just general moral support. And chauffeur.
Yes.
Yeah, we're currently chauffeuring the man of the hour, Marcello Piccia. Look at that. This is a pro driver. Semi. Marcello, talk to me about the race today. You came away with a trophy. What's on the cards for tomorrow?
Hopefully have a good Duke for the win. That's what I hope for.
100%. What we're looking for is a Commonwealth victory.
That is true. We are looking for the Commonwealth victory.
Not often do I cheer for the Commonwealth. I will be cheering for the Commonwealth tomorrow.
You said you want it to be the 51st state. They were your words.
Those were not. Don't even be putting those words in my mouth.
I don't know how much of this footage is usable. It's very loud here, and that's not just the two fine gentlemen to the left of me here. There's loud engines, Honda Jazzes, and Mazda 2s, many things. Anyway, I realise I still haven't really debriefed my race, so I'll do that now. Went alright. I think I finished 6th. I thought I finished 7th. It might be 6th, it might be 7th, it doesn't really matter, I don't really care. I had lots of fun, and I didn't go backwards more than 2 or 3 times in the race. So, worst case, I finished where I started. I learned a lot. There's a bunch of other stuff on now, we're done for the day. So, just gonna film stuff, and you're gonna watch it, whether you like it or not.
As they come down the hill here, Skip Rock Jr. dropping back just a little bit as we've got a couple cars bouncing. They bounce over the apex curving in 3, come all the way across and drop over the outside.
Problems here on the outside of turn number 4 to the SS2 cars.
If you hear a story, he dies. I drove inside.
Porsche. Oh, it's Grant West, MX-5 Cup Extraordinaire. Look at all that juice. Might be too much juice.